We have entered the Twilight Zone. This is a special. I didn't know it was gonna be a special birthday message to Ryan, but it is. Ryan Adam, this is your conscience speaking. I don't want to upset him with that. Show the thing. This is my lyre that I got as a special birthday present from John. I haven't really played it much but I'm realizing now that there's a technique to this thing. It's beautiful, really. It's really striking looking instrument. It's got like a deer carved into the front. We'll show it better tomorrow, but I'm seeing that you don't have to be. And I was wondering what all these people were saying online when they were saying, "Oh, it's such a great, relaxing instrument, and it's so easy to play." And I'm like fucking struggling. The first 2 days I had it, I ended up putting it up on the shelf behind me. I'm just like, I can't deal with this thing. I must be retarded because all these people are saying that it's easy to play. But I'll tell you what the secret is, John. Magic. It is your conscience telling you that you can do anything. I'm just making that up, but actually, I'm inspired. I'm inspired by the lyre. I am not a liar, but I play one on TV. Hey, I like that. I'm not a liar, but I play one on TV. I am not a liar, but I play one on TV. All right, John, you want to do, you should have given yourself a little bit more support on your shoulder, but you're doing all right. It's a bitch to tune, but actually I see that it's not necessary now. So shall we? Yeah. Once upon a time, there was a little girl. Ooh. Her name was Lucy. Da, 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 da. It should probably be Alice. Shouldn't it be like Alice in Wonderland? You're right. I've got this balanced really badly right now. Okay. Some enchanted evening, you will find your true love right across the Grande View. You know, your poetry that we were reading earlier, John, from your 1986 transcripts with Lady Bunny Payne Clemay. Yes. There was one stunning, you were saying, in comparison to the shit show, not your words, I'm paraphrasing. In comparison to the sloppy shit show that was the Beatles machine, that the gun in the alleyway at least did a clean job. Something like that, yeah. Yeah. I like that line too. Yeah, that was really I guess I liked it. It stands out, yeah. The gun in the alleyway. Because there was that little alleyway there leading up to the door. I don't think I've ever really went to the Dakota to examine that place, but you passed by it a few times, but you paid no attention. Right, okay. You remember, yeah, yeah. You know, when you passed by it quite a few times when you were hanging around with that your friend Kenny that you worked with at uh, Madison, and then you would go to his apartment, and you and him walked around the city a lot. And I think he brought it to your attention once too. That's the John Lennon building, but you paid no attention. Okay, so I'm in trouble again. In trouble again. So what can we do with this beautiful instrument? It really is. I mean, it's very interesting. Yeah. Well, we could recite poetry with it. All right. Okay. So what's a good poem that we know? Well, let's recite some song lyrics together. All right. Well, I'll tell you something. I hope you understand. When I say that something, I want to hold your hand. I love it. Right. What's next? Oh, we're not going to do the whole song? No. Well, you could try that. Do the middle eight. And when I tell you that I love you, you're gonna say you love me too. And when I ask you to be mine, you're going to say you love me too. You know who should walk around with one of these things all the time? William Shatner. He should have one attached to his back and just, yeah. He's taking that under advisement. Hi, Bill. Bill, do you want to do Bill Shatner is here. This is great. Bill Shatner, would you like? I want to do one of. I want to do one of your songs. You know my songs, Bill? Yeah. There's one I would like to do. I think I've got it covered. Okay. Bill Shatner is going to do a Lennon exclusive. What are you doing? Yes. The next time you decide to hurt me, you better make sure you kill me. No, 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 no. So you better make sure. You better make sure. The next time you leave me, or you decide to leave me, it's going to be our last goodbye. Oh, wow, that's great, Bill. So you'd better make sure. Better make sure. You want me to go on? No, don't go on. Those lyrics are too horrible. Do a happier one. Bum, 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 bum. I bought me an old blue Chevrolet van. $600, it's a steal, said the man. It's got 4 tires. It's got 4 doors. 3 of them suckers don't open no more. Go ahead. I'm trying to think. Right. For $600, it's a steal, said the man. So I bought me an old blue Chevrolet van. Well, the radio worked, but it don't no more. Empty beer bottles all over the floor. The tranny's got a leak. The battery got stole. All in the name of a little rock and roll. But it kept me rolling all night long. It kept me swinging and singing my song. At $600, it's a steal, said the man. So I bought me an old blue Chevrolet van. I love it. I wish I could snap my fingers. You know the way they do in the poetry clubs? Snap, snap, snap. My fingers are so arthritic I can no longer snap. I'm not joking. It's a sad state of affairs, but my fingers are so arthritic I can't snap. I lost that ability quite a while back. So but if I was in a poetry club, I would make snap. Here's a snapping noise. Snap. I love that. Bill Shatner. And you know what, Johnny? Yeah, I love it too. Let's do another one of your poems, songs to poetry. I think we're done for now. Yeah, yeah. Really? Yeah. Except I want to say this, okay? I love you. I love you. You are the light of my life. You are my Lena, my wife. Praise be God and Mother for my Angelina, my Angelina, my Angelina. And special thanks to Bill Shatner for making the scene this evening. Yes, Bill. It's been wonderful. All right. Johnny, yes. You know I love you. I don't get tired of hearing that, you know. I love you. I love you. I love